is done. Laugh, 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 laugh in the beautiful bath. I love my bath. You can take your rubber ducky, you can take your boat. Laugh, laugh, laugh in the beautiful bath. You can take your scrubby washcloth and your soap on a rope. Laugh, laugh, laugh in the beautiful bath. You can sit and soak for hours like a fish in a drink, or you can be a power scrubber just as quick as a wink. Laugh, 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 laugh in the beautiful bath. You got your bubbles. It ain't much trouble. Look at you go now. Just watch me. Look who's got a glow now. But if you were a kitten or a little bunny rabbit, laugh, laugh, laugh in the beautiful bath. Jumping in the tub would never be a daily habit. Laugh, laugh, laugh in the beautiful bath. But little girls and boys have very washable skin, so when the tub is running you can get right in. Laugh, 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 laugh in the beautiful bath. You got your bubbles. It ain't much trouble. Look at you go now. Look who's got a glow now. Wow! Every single night, just a little after dinner. Laugh, laugh, laugh in the beautiful bath. There's a little thing to do that makes you feel just like a winner. Laugh, laugh, laugh in the beautiful bath. You can splish and splash around, you can have some fun, but you're gonna end up cleaner when the deed is done. Laugh, 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 laugh in the beautiful. Laugh, 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 laugh in the beautiful. Laugh, 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 laugh in the beautiful.
Splish splash, Elmo took a little bath. Long about a Saturday night. A rubber duck just relaxing in his tub, thinking everything was alright. When Elmo stepped out the tub, put his feet on the floor, then he wrapped the towel around him and he opened the door. Splish splash, Elmo jumped back in the bath. How was he to know there was a party going on? There was a splishing and a splashing, reeling with the feeling, moving and a grooving, rocking and a rolling. But bing bang, Elmo saw the whole gang dancing on his living room rug. That's right, flip flop, they were doing the bop. Elmo's friends had to dance and bob. There was Fairy Dawn with the Betty Lou. My word, Big Bird was even there too. Splish splash, forget about the bath. Elmo went and put his dancing shoes on. He wasn't rolling and a strolling, reeling with the feeling, moving and a grooving, splishing and a splashing. We wasn't splishing and a splashing, we wasn't rolling and a strolling, we wasn't moving and a grooving, we wasn't reeling with the feeling, we wasn't rolling and a strolling, moving and a grooving. Splish splash, splishing and a splashing. Yeah, Elmo wasn't splishing and a splashing. Hooray, we wasn't moving and a grooving, we wasn't splishing and a splashing.